Chameleons. Find and defeat ogres. Ogres are hiding in this room. Okay. They can disguise as gems or coins. Oh, that's creepy. To find disguise ogres, you need to move really close to an item. Collect all items and defend yourself from ogres when you see them. Use the nearest item, POS, X, and Y, to find where to move. Okay. So it looks like, while true, we're looking for the enemy. We're looking for them. And we're gonna find the nearest item. However, if enemy, if there's an enemy, attack it. But if we see an item, then we're gonna move. I feel like we're missing a variable. Let's create the Hey Luna, how's it going? I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for joining the stream. Just playing a little CodeCombat. The weather is pretty crazy here. It's the item POS. And I'm glad to hear that. X. X equals position dot X. Y equals position dot Y. Oh, my apologies that you're messaging me. Yeah, I'll definitely check it. I'm usually not on my Discord as often and I don't have my notifications on, but thanks for reminding me. I'll definitely look into that. So I do apologize. I think this is what we need. Nope. We're not moving. Oh. Well, yeah, it wouldn't work either if I didn't use the right variables. Duh. Oh, sure, for sure. There we go. Oh! Little fake little... You don't know if it's an enemy or an item. Oh! We found him!